What we are doing for some students is a pedagogy of compliance, not the pedagogy of possibility, not the way we know all humans learn. The science of learning, cognitive neuroscience has been out there a long time. We know that. What you need to stop doing is being able to, you know, participate in the pedagogy of compliance and be okay with that, right? Restricting how students can talk or move in the classroom, or, all eyes on me, and, all of these other scripts that restrict the student, versus having that cognitive apprenticeship where the student has some freedom to engage in productive struggle. I'm not suggesting we have classrooms where the students are wilding out, but they do need to understand that their capacity to accelerate their learning is in their hands. They can grow their learning power. That's what I want to communicate in this book.